Alright guys, Nick here at Exotic Motorsports of Oklahoma, and I have a very, very special car here for you guys today. It is very well documented, and so if you skip to about the 5-minute mark on this video, I go through all the pictures and the emails and just some of that documentation that will come with this car. There's really cool posters. I mean, you name it, it has it with it. And so I hope you enjoy the video. Like I said, skip to that 5-minute mark if you want to see all that stuff quicker. And our description on our website is very, very detailed. It kind of lays out the history of this car. So go check that out as well. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks, guys. For the last part of the video, I'm going to do a quick condition report for you. And really, to start things off, this thing is a high 9 out of 10 condition. Inside and out, it's just so clean. And on top of that, it is a special edition car, very, very rare. And so I'm going to show just a couple little imperfections I found, but really, it's just hard to nitpick this thing. It is just that clean. And as for the interior, it is so clean. It smells really, really good. You can see on the dash here, there's no cracking that I can see, which was really common for these cars. So it looks really good. The seat is in phenomenal condition. Has just a little bit of wear maybe right here, but the bolster's super nice. The original head unit comes with the car as well. You can see the top of the dash is near perfect condition. A lot of these have a lot of cracks and stuff in them. This one is very, very clean. Very common issue on these cars. There are a couple little imperfections here in the clear coat on this top strip here, and then a couple on this side. Like I said, they're super small. And then here on the driver's side skirt, there's a little chip here. And then we have a couple imperfections here in the paint, just on the edge of the front bumper. And for the front end, it's very, very clean. You have to look really closely just to see a couple tiny little rock chips here and there, but otherwise it's in great condition. So we have a ton of documentation that comes with this car, and that's going to be in the description as well as the photos on the website, just kind of documenting the whole process of where this car has been and how it got here today. So if you have any other questions, give us a shout at Exotic Motorsports of Oklahoma. And as always, have a good one. Thanks, guys. All right, guys, like I said, there is so much that comes with this car, a lot of documentation. You have these really cool posters of the car, the original head unit. We even have sketches of the exhaust tips that are on this car. So you can see they went with the more rounded look like this one. Then you have this really nice binder here with just a ton of stuff. Here is documentation on the car and just some history on it from the movie X-Men. So all this will come with the car. You just have a lot of really neat documentation. You can try to pause this if you need to kind of read it, but pictures of the undercarriage. Here's like pictures of it when it was first built. Just lots of really cool stuff. And a lot of these photos are on our website as well, so you can see them in more detail. I'm showing off the door panels. It's just a very highly documented car, and so that makes it really cool. Like another little like printout poster here. That's like a magazine cover of some sort. Information on the Firehawk itself. I mean, there's so much cool stuff. They also have just a ton of photos. Check this out. This one's really neat. Here's when they were talking about the car. I got these all upside down. There's when they're filming. Just so cool. I'll go through some of these photos and put some of them on the website. But I mean, that's this car right here. This is so cool to see this. And that one's probably the coolest. Saber tooth. Anyways, all this stuff will be coming with the car. If you look at the description on our website, it's highly detailed. And so if you have any other questions, give us a shout. Thanks, guys.